Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Shanovia and today I will be doing a makeup look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. So I received it on Friday and I had ordered it online on Tuesday. Currently it's not available in stores until August 15th. If you do see any glitter or my eyelids looking red, it's because my last video got deleted. Well, some of my video got deleted. Okay, so I will insert the clip of me pointing out the shadows, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into the makeup just look. In case if you haven't heard of the names yet, I'll go ahead and read them to you. So there's Soleil, Supreme, Pinker, Big Wigs, Dollars, Credit, Lituation, Zam, Wigglies, Shookinteth, Trust Issues, Edges, Sponsor, and Ginger. Hey guys, so I went ahead and did my brows and one eye, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with Wigglies, which is this color right here, and I'm going to take that and put that all over my lid, or all over my eye. Next, I'm going to take Credit, and it's this one right here. Okay, then I'm going to take Zam, which is this one right here, and I'm going to spray this brush with my Mario Bedescu spray. This is so pretty. And I'm looking over because I have a mirror right here too. And I'm also going to take Soleil on the same brush, and it's this one right here, and put it right on top of it. Okay, and I'm just going to go off camera and put my lashes on because they'll take forever, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it, and I forgot to tell y'all that this is my first video here on YouTube, so please subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit the post notification bell to be notified once I post my next video, which will be this week, on the new Profilter Hydrating Foundation from Fenty, so stay tuned for that. So I guess I'll see y'all in my next video.